Hey everybody, Dale and Leanna here from Moments of Adventure, and this time we spent a few days before our cruise in New Orleans. Great city to experience, lots of food, lots of drinking.
Yeah, it's a great time. We stayed at the Marriott, which is right downtown or in the French Quarter there, so we could walk wherever we wanted to, but it's kind of fun.
In New Orleans, we had oysters at Felix's. And this time, it wasn't great. Our service wasn't good. Our oysters were okay. The oyster company is right across the street. We ate there last time, and it's usually very good. Felix's is usually good too, but I think we just had a funky experience there.
Yeah, so that was the only slight downside of the New Orleans portion of the trip.
Yeah. So we went to the dungeon, and the dungeon, you cannot take cameras inside. And in fact, if you pull out your phone, like you're going to record, they security comes, like put your phone away. So we don't have any footage of that, but we do have footage coming in, which is so fun, you guys. It's like this dark alleyway to get to the bar. It's a 2-level bar. What did we get? The zombie reviver? Don't get that.
Dragon's blood.
Dragon's blood.
It was not good.
It's an absinthe drink.
Yeah.
It was just avoided. It's licorice. Blech. But the bar itself is really cool. It's dark. It just has that funky New Orleans
feel
vibe
of,
I don't know, voodoo and zombies, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
Vampire-esque.
But we did have Willie's
fun.
chicken. Awesome chicken when you go to New Orleans.
Oh, yes.
Whether before or after having a beverage or two, very, very good.
It's just fried chicken.
Yeah.
But it's good fried chicken.
It's good fried chicken. Saw tons of people on Bourbon Street, of course, like every weekend. Got to partake in the bead throwing.
Alright, we are at a balcony bar on Bourbon Street. That Cats is the name of it. But we got some girls over here that are fishing with their beads. And you would be shocked at what people will do for 5-cent beads. Actually, it might not be, but it's really fun. Well, that girl has her hands on her boobs. Woo! Here we go!
Tons of music, great music going on. It's New Orleans. So those of you who haven't been to New Orleans, of course the French Quarter and Bourbon Street is your main attraction, just tons and tons of people. So if you don't like people, it's probably not the best place to go.
There are other streets with music and the same feel, just not quite as intense, maybe is a good word. So there's a little something for everything in New Orleans, and the architecture is beautiful. It's an older city and just a really cool city to check out. So we went to New Orleans before the cruise, had a couple of just 2 days there. I went to a cooking class, and that was super fun. I believe it was the Mardi Gras School of Cooking, and it was a roux class, so we learned to make jambalaya and gumbo and bananas foster.
So we just finished a cooking school at the Mardi Gras School of Cooking. Super fun, but here's what they don't tell you. The alcohol is included. We had wine, there was beer.
Yes, and you could have all you wanted too.
All you wanted.
All you can drink.
Yeah, so the shock of the sticker, like it's kind of expensive when you sign up. When you figure in it's free booze and food, we got to eat everything.
Pretty good price.
It's a good deal. And it was super fun.
It was super fun. And super good.
One of our favorite places to eat in New Orleans is the Ruby Slipper. Everything that we've ever gotten on the menu has been absolutely amazing. And they have a lovely Bloody Mary and mimosas as well. And be sure to go early because there's always a wait.
It was fun. Overwhelming, but it was fun.
It was very
I'm losing
fun.
my
The
voice.
beignets are very good. Highly recommend. Come eat your beignets over at the river,
Yeah.
the pier.
Can you eat your Cafe Du Monde and bring it to the river?
Yeah, very peaceful. The dungeon place was cool to check out.
So thanks again, everybody. We are so close to get 1,000 subscribers on our channel. So please, please, please like and subscribe.
And we'll see you next time. Hey, it's a video.
Oh,
Hi.
what are we talking about?
Vignettes.